It's that time again. Time for some kitty playtime. Because today, our cats are getting to play with their new rainbow wand toys from Jetczo. The pack comes shipped to your door with 2 rainbow wand toys. They're lightweight but durable. The handle is made out of a PVC plastic. Then, the fuzzy worm toy is made out of a soft fleece. It even comes complete with jingle bells and googly eyes to get your cat's attention and engage their prey drive. The wormies are 23.6 inches long and give you plenty of space to comfortably play with your cat. We brought them in and our cats went nuts chasing the worms through the house. Some toys, our cats seem to have trouble playing with. Their claws will get stuck or they have trouble letting go. But the soft fleece on these toys make it easy for them to release and go after again. By shaking the wand, the jingle bells rattle, and our cats just go crazy. They have so much fun chasing it on the ground, and even more fun jumping in the air to catch it. And then one of our cats took the whole entire toy and ran away with it to his room. All of our cats wanted to turn, so I'm sure your cat will like it too. If you'd like to get a pack of wormies for you and your cats as well, then this pack from Jetczo might just be for you. Link can be found in the description below. Till next time, I'm off to go play with my cats some more. See ya.